So how you can set password in your Lenovo laptop? You have to just simply right click on the desktop and here click on the display setting. Then you have to click on the accounts in your left side on the screen. Then you have to scroll down and here you will see sign in option. Click here. Then you will see all of the option through you can set password in your laptop. So if you have Lenovo laptop, firstly you have option in the face lock. This option is not available at the moment, but here is showing. And the second one is the fingerprint option, as you can see in your Lenovo laptop here. So you can set a fingerprint from here. Just click here and add your finger setup. Third option, you have pin in your window, so you can set up from here. After that you have one more option, security key. You can also set up from here. I have already update, so here is the option is manage. And after that you have option of password. So here you can change also your password. If you had already set a password, you can change from here. In the last, you can set password through your picture. So you have to just simply add and select here setup, and then select a picture and set a code on your picture. And anytime if you want to open your laptop, you have to click same number of the key on the picture and your laptop will be unlocked. So here you have a lot of option in your Lenovo laptop to set up a password. From face lock is not available to fingerprint and a pin. After that security key, after that a password, and after that profile picture password. So here are a lot of options. If you want to set a password in your Lenovo laptop, you can select from here. If you have any query and question, please let me know in the comments. And here in the bottom down there are the other option. You can set from here on the setting. Thanks for watching.